Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a topic we all care about, saving money at the grocery store. We all know how quickly our grocery bills can add up, but with a few simple tips and tricks, you can make your shopping trips much more budget-friendly. So let's dive in with these 10 top tips to save money when grocery shopping. Tip number 1. Always create a shopping list and stick to it. This might seem obvious, but it's so easy to get distracted by all the tempting items in the aisles. By creating a list beforehand, you'll stay focused and avoid impulse buys. And trust me, those just one more thing purchases really add up. Tip number 2. Never shop hungry. I get it. We've all done it, going to the store with an empty stomach thinking we'll just grab a few things. But guess what? You'll end up throwing everything into the cart, from snacks to stuff you don't even need. Eat before you shop, and you'll make better choices that'll save you money. Tip number 3. Meal plan your week to use ingredients efficiently. When you know what meals you're making, you can buy just the right amount of ingredients, so you're not left with half a bunch of cilantro going bad. Plus, meal planning helps you use what you already have at home, which keeps you from overbuying. Tip number 4. Buy generic and store brand items, and check unit prices. It's easy to stick with the name brand, but generic items often have the same quality for a fraction of the price. Be sure to check unit prices too, which can help you compare the cost per ounce or per unit to make sure you're getting the best deal. Tip number 5. Consider buying staple items in bulk. Think rice, pasta, flour, canned goods. Staples like these have a long shelf life, and buying in bulk can save you a ton of money in the long run. You'll often pay less per unit, and you won't have to buy them as frequently. Tip number 6. Take advantage of sales, coupons, and store loyalty programs. This is a big one. If your store offers loyalty points or discounts, sign up for them. You can stack coupons with sales, and this is a great way to really stretch your budget. Just be careful not to buy things you don't need just because they're sale. Stay disciplined. Tip number 7. When possible, buy seasonal produce. Buying fruits and veggies when they're in season not only means fresher produce, but it's usually cheaper too. Check out what's in season in your area, and you'll get the best prices and the best flavor. Tip number 8. Consider cooking from scratch. Prepackaged meals and convenience foods are convenient, but they can be pricey. Cooking from scratch doesn't just save you money, it often tastes better too. With a little effort, you can make meals that are healthier and more cost-effective. Tip number 9. Shop at multiple stores if needed. Sometimes, shopping at just one store isn't the best option. Take a little extra time to check out different stores in your area. Some stores have better deals on certain items, and you might find that switching things up saves you money in the long run. And last but not least, tip number 10. Don't forget about freezer-friendly options. Buying frozen fruits, veggies, and meats can be a great way to save money, especially if you're looking to stock up. They last longer, you don't have to worry about them spoiling, and they're usually cheaper than fresh items. So there you have it, 10 top tips to help you save money on your grocery bill. By being mindful of your shopping habits, sticking to a plan, and taking advantage of deals, you'll be able to reduce your spending without compromising on what you need. If you found these tips helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and life hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy shopping!